How to add go post secondary discount on Presto card. So guys, this video is very important for the students because if you have a Presto card you can save around 40% of your expenditure over your traveling, especially for the students or student. It doesn't matter if you're into a school or college or secondary college or university, you can save up to 40% with the Presto on go, right? So it's completely free. You have to just take your student ID card or government issued card to the customer service and they will just give you this advantage and you can use it for yourself. So if you're a youth, 13 to 19-year old, you have to click on this one. And by the way, let me tell you the website. This website is called Go Transist, right? So go here, and once you arrive here, if you're a post-secondary student, just click on I'm a student, and here you can just read each and everything. Here it says that 40% of full ticket price. So that's what I have explained you earlier in this video. And once you're here, click on apply now and start saving. Now this will redirect to your new website. This is studentidgotransist.com. So just wait for a few seconds till it load, and here you have to enter your first name, middle name, last name, email address, confirm email address, and I consent to use my personal information, and just click on I'm not a robot and click on submit. And in just few minutes or within few hours you will get a reply over your email address, and then you will able to apply for this and you will able to save 40%. So guys, I hope you found this video very useful.